So, what are stack conversions? Conversion of expressions from one form into another form is called as stack conversions, right? We have three types of expressions, okay? First one is infix, next one is prefix, third one is postfix. So, in these three expressions, we are actually familiar with the infix expressions, okay? So, what are these expressions? Say, for example, consider a value x plus y. Consider an expression like this, okay? So, these values are called as operands, okay? And the operation you perform on these two operands is called operator. This completely known as expression, and these values which you include in the expressions are called as operands, and the operations you perform on the operand is called as operator. Operator means symbol, right? You have known the operators before. So operator means a symbol, operand means a value, okay? So what are infix expressions? For example, I have written a statement A plus B. Okay, that means operator placed between the operands. When the operator is placed between the operands, then it is called as infix expression. Then what is meant by prefix? Pre, that means plus AB. So what is the statement? Operator is placed before the operand, right? Now what is meant by postfix? A, B plus. When the operator is placed after the operands. Okay, these are my three types of expressions. One is infix. When the operator is placed between the operands, then it is called as infix expression. When the operator is placed before the operands, then it is called as prefix expression. And the operator is placed after the operands is called as postfix expression. So, what is the use of these infix, postfix and prefix conversions? Why do we have to consider these expressions? So, what language does computer understand? Binary language, right? So, whatever language you perform, like any language, C, Python, Java, anything, computer can convert it into binary, process it, and give the output according to how we want, right? It processes, it takes the output, it processes, it gives me some output in the way which I want, right? It won't give me again in binary only, okay? So, why do we need these expressions? So, computer can understand only prefix and postfix notations. In the infix notations, you might use brackets also, right? You might use parentheses, okay? So, computer finds it hard to evaluate this expression. So, this way should be converted into either this or this. Either infix should be converted into prefix or infix should be converted into postfix, so that it would be easy for the computer to understand. But what are we familiar with most? Infix expressions, right? Now we'll see stack rules.